Are you sick and tired of ChatGPT not giving you the right responses? Well, maybe it's time to consider training your own AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fine-tune your own AI model that's tailored towards your needs and preferences. Whether you want an assistant that understands your specific workflows, speaks in your tone, or has a certain deep expertise in a particular niche. To do this, I'll be using a platform called FPT AI Factory. They're an NVIDIA preferred cloud partner that helps provide users with end-to-end solutions to train AI models. You can visit my link in the description below for $100 in free credits, which is going to be more than enough to follow along with today's demo. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you might be wondering, Lucy, why should we build our own AI assistant when ChatGPT exists? Well, the main advantage is customization. ChatGPT gives us generic answers, and so if we want to do a specific task, we have to explain the context every time. For example, saying something like act as a career coach and give me advice. However, even with that prompt, ChatGPT sometimes provides some pretty standard responses. What I wanted was to build an AI assistant that can act as an interview coach for cloud learners, which by the way, I'm going to show you how to build in this video. Okay, now that you understand the benefits, here are the steps you'll need to take to fine-tune your own AI model. First, start with a pre-trained model that has already learned from billions of web sources. Next, prepare your custom training data. This is where you'll teach your model your specific knowledge. After that, fine-tune the model on your data. And finally, deploy and test your model. But before we get right into the steps, here's the problem. To fine-tune a model, you need some serious compute power. We're talking $2 to $5 an hour, sometimes even more. Because let's be real, GPUs are expensive. Even if you're just experimenting, this can add up fast. And that's been a barrier for people who want to try this. And so since FPT AI Factory is giving away $100 in free credits for users to try their platform, I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to show you how to fine-tune your own AI model. Again, you can redeem this in the description below. Alright, let's head over to my computer now and start building. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go onto FPT AI Factory and create an account. Once you log in, you'll be directed to this dashboard where you can redeem $100 of free credits. What we're going to do now is launch a new AI notebook to start the process of creating our own AI assistant. So let's click on AI notebook over here. For the GPU, let's select GPU H200, and here it is. We've now got a Jupyter Notebook environment ready to use. What's great about this is that pretty much everything we need is already installed. Python, PyTorch, CUDA drivers, and so on. Because of this, we can start working inside the notebook straight away. Now, we do need to install a few extra tools to help us train the AI, because we need some specific add-ons like transformers and datasets. These are the tools that will actually teach the AI how to read our notes and learn from them. So let's install the required packages and click run. Nice, okay, everything is downloaded successfully. By the way, you'll be able to access these instructions in a GitHub file that I'll link down below. Okay, now that our tools are ready, we need to give the AI something to learn from. This is the most important part. So in my case, I've prepared a list of questions and answers based on my own experience to help learners get hired in cloud and AWS. This training material includes things like how to answer star interview questions and what interviewers look for in candidates. Depending on the type of AI assistant you'd like to build, you can add in whatever relevant material you'd like. I'd recommend formatting your text in a question and answer format, because this will be useful later when we form our prompt response pairs that the AI can learn from. Alright, once you've got your text pasted in the notebook, all you have to do is click run, or you can just hit Shift Enter. This is going to format our notes into a special file called train.jsonl. Okay, we're now ready to train the model. Let's paste in our script, and we're going to train our AI model based on the material we provided earlier. The model we're using is called Mistral, and you can think of Mistral as a very smart student who has read the whole internet, but haven't read our specific interview notes yet. We're also using something called LoRa, which lets us add in our new notes as a small expert layer on top of the AI. So instead of training the whole thing, which is slow and expensive, we can just teach it our specific style. This saves us a lot of time and keeps the AI focused on exactly what we want it to learn. Cool, so let's wait for it to run, and this training should only take you a few minutes. Alright, here we go. It says training complete. And so our new AI assistant is now saved in this AWS playbook model. What we have to do now is load the model to see if it actually works. So let's copy in the loading script from the instructions and paste it into a new cell. What's happening here is that we're loading the base Mistral model again, but this time with the training that we've done. This script also sets up a special Ask AI function that cleans up the answers. It tells the model to stay focused so that it doesn't make up random things. Okay, once that's done, we'll get a confirmation message saying that the model has loaded successfully. Great, so now that I have the model loaded, we're now ready to ask it questions. Let's try it out. In a new cell, I'm going to use the print command with our Ask AI tool. So let me type in, how do I write an effective cloud portfolio? Nice, okay, so it's explaining how to choose your projects, how to show visual evidence, and where to publish your portfolio. It even reminds you to treat it as a cloud diary, which is what I would say. Let's try one more question. So I'll type in, what are the top cloud computing careers? And here we go. It's breaking down the different roles like Solutions Architect, Cloud Architect, and explaining what they do. It's not just giving a generic answer from the internet, it's actually using my specific style. And honestly, this same approach works for everything, whether you're building customer support bots, technical documentation assistants, or just personalized AI tools. Whatever expertise you have, you can turn it into an AI that sounds like you. So that was a walkthrough of how to fine-tune your own AI model. But let me tell you a bit more about the platform that we used, FPT AI Factory. It's a complete end-to-end AI platform that actually goes way beyond helping you fine-tune models. They've got FPT AI Agents, which is a comprehensive platform for multilingual AI development, and a whole bunch of other AI and infrastructure offerings. What stood out to me was their performance. The GPUs that they have are seriously fast. The flexibility is nice too, whether you want containers, notebooks, or serverless endpoints. It's all built on NVIDIA's latest infrastructure, which is a gold standard for AI computers these days. So yeah, if you're building anything with AI, make sure you check them out because their platform handles everything from experimenting with ideas to serving models to real users. Okay, this brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below, would you train your own AI model or would you prefer to just use ChatGPT? I'd love to start a discussion. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.